Hi guys, we're going to be doing a quick workshop tour this morning, so let's get right into it. Over here's my doors. I've got double doors and I've got fires and everything. Got a little storage area for scrap wood and everything where I just put everything. A vise, that's just like a like a little desk for like gluing up stuff and varnishing, fixing stuff. That's made and painting. Got my clamps here. I've got 4 ones in the house. I've got some glasses there. Then I've got set square. Got some different types of saws. I've got a plain over, some metal saws, some other saws. Here I've got some drill bits and some storage wood I just keep down there. I've got a pillar drill there. I've got mostly all the drill bits there for it. Got like a little shelf up there just to keep stuff on that I want. I've got a radio there. Then I've got like little photos and stuff here. I've got a main workshop bench. I've got a radio. This would be where my light switch would be and everything. Another socket, so I don't have to run this when I get a circular saw here. I will do another video when I get a circular saw, which will probably be today or tomorrow, so just have to stick around for that. Then under my bench I've got my main wood store. I should be getting some more wood today. I'll be going to B&Q today or tomorrow to pick up my saw as well. A massive screw box, just some storage stuff I just keep down there. I've got some sanders, impact, drill, files and stuff, chisels, what else, some hot glue, gun stuff, more drill bits in here, I think, yeah, I've got more drill bits in there, duct tape, got a soldering iron, some spanner kits at the back, got some wipes there. Yeah, that's pretty much my workshop tour. I've done a lot to wire up those lights, so that's why I've got my protection stuff there and there. Then I've got another set of glasses somewhere. Got a tape measure there. Yeah, that's pretty much my workshop tour. So thanks for watching. Give it a like if you like it and subscribe if you want more content. Bye!